What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play the I'm gonna record some footage on the outside. Hopefully you guys can hear it. The intake, I don't know, we'll see. You're gonna hear the intake and exhaust. You're gonna hear one of them, but the GoPro is currently on right now. I got a guest with me. Y'all, man, she said I can't go nowhere by myself. I'm a full-time. No, I'm not. I'm a part-time. When I'm full-time YouTuber, she can't go with me. You know what I'm saying?
Damn, Jake Sand.
I just put 1,000 grams on the scale, I think I broke it. Sauce, cracking seals, tryna bust this bitch open. I just put 1,000 grams on the scale, I think I broke it. In my room, cracking seals, tryna bust this bitch open. She want me to fall in love, but I don't really think she know. And the nigga said he gangsta, he gon' really have to show. If I hit this shit again, they gon' fuck around and OD. Only cookie in my blunt, don't you pass me no OG. And there ain't no fucking runs, that's some bullshit you smoke. You can smell a purple punch in the air, that shit poking.
What's poppin', GE? Gangsta boys, back with another video, man. Check this out. Today I'm gonna give the update on that AFE cold air intake that I said I was gonna do and let you guys know if it opened up my engine, if it gave me more horsepower, whatever the case. If you guys don't remember, these are the claims, right? Plus adds up to 29 plus horsepower, 31 foot-pounds of torque, and 36% more airflow. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go for a ride in the because I'm almost on E. I gotta fill up for tomorrow for work, so we're gonna take a ride. Let me show you guys. So we have the GoPro on here. I'm gonna get some footage of driving, you feel me, with the GoPro, and then I might be recording with this on the inside of the car, but I'm gonna give you guys outside so you guys can hopefully hear the I don't know if you will be able to, but hopefully hear the how much air is being sucked into that thing, because that's a massive air filter. So that's what we're doing today. But first, as you can see, let me show you this guy. This guy right here, he's getting his workout in on the elliptical. She just busted out a bunch of something in here, and that was chilling. I just came down here, so I'm about to get on, I don't know, probably the dips, probably some of this curls, maybe the boxing thing, maybe the elliptical, but I'm gonna get on something and I'll record a couple minutes of it for you guys. I gotta get back into the routine like I told you the other day. I was out for 2 months from work because of my back, had a pinched nerve, so I'm kind of scared to do a lot of movements, just like anybody. If you come back from injury like basketball or anything, which is what I do, I like to hoop too, you kind of baby it. So I'm babying my back, man, because I don't want to be out again. I got money to make, I got moves to make, and it kind of slowed me down as far as everything. So I'm trying to catch back up and get right back into the groove of things. So that's what we're about to do, man. I'm about to get a little workout in, and then we're going to take this drive and check out this AFE Cold Air GT Momentum air intake and see if I got more horsepower, more airflow, and more torque. We're gonna smash the gas and see if we can hear some things, you feel me? So let me set this thing up, let me catch a little workout, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys in a minute. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna do a little bit of work on the boxing thing. Yes, my thing is a little bit unorthodox, but I'm gonna get my cardio the way I get my cardio. You know what I mean? So we're gonna get that done.
Ahorita you got that motherfucker.
I know I do.
Oh yeah.
I know you ain't putting nothing nowhere.
can't play music while I'm recording a YouTube video.
Oh yeah.
Alright y'all, so done with that workout. I showed you guys a little bit of it. You know what I mean? I'm still trying to get in the groove of it. So it's gonna get a little bit more intense as the weeks go by. But now we're about to go take that drive, man, go get some gas, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play I'm gonna record some footage on the outside. Hopefully you guys can hear it. The intake, I don't know, we'll see. You're gonna hear the intake and exhaust, you're gonna hear one of them. But the GoPro is currently on right now. I got a guest with me. You know what I mean? She said I can't go nowhere by myself. I'm a full-time. No, I'm not. I'm a part-time. When I'm full-time YouTuber, she can't go with me. You know what I'm saying? Part-time, she rolling with me. You feel me? I don't know what it is, but she going. I got deposited a check into the bank too. So let's just take this drive, man. Let's go ahead and start it up and get to it. Hold on, you gotta put your foot on the brake first. Let me show you guys this, man. So that's the GoPro footage right there. As you can see, all I gotta do is hit that record. Boom! I love that got DJI, man. DJI is the company, you feel me? I mess with them heavy. So I don't think we're gonna have no music on. I can't ride no music. I only ride with music too, man. I'm gonna turn it off and we got to listen to the sweet sounds of the exhaust. Let's go ahead and mute that. So let's ride out, man. Hold on, let me get my thing on. I hope you guys can really hear this this intake, man. I hope the GoPro gets a good perspective. If not, we're gonna be whipping through the city anyway. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, you feel me? Let me put this thing in sport mode only. You know what I'm saying? Pedal commander is on, like always. Man, that tire flat that I'm boy, that motherfucker on the ground, bro. I think he drove on it, didn't know. And now it's really flat.
I wonder if he's noticed at all.
I was gonna ask him if he wanted to use my air compressor, but I think he got more than just a regular flat. I don't even think he'll be able to pump that up.
If you're holding your camera while you're driving, is that distracted driving? Or?
I'm a YouTuber. I'm used to this. I ain't no distracted. Saying? What? It's recording. Of course, I'm to it. Y'all hear this? But I'm gonna turn it off because I think she kind of scared me doing both, even though I'm a multi-millionaire tasker. And I'm gonna turn the camera back on once I get the gas. But we got this footage rolling on the DJI GoPro, so yeah. Alright, man, it's funny, man. My GoPro disconnected. Well, it didn't disconnect. It showed gray screen. We big thought the goddamn GoPro fell off the car and was on the ground. Big hurried up and got to to the Safeway gas and checked it, and it was still recording. See, look, hold up. I'm gonna show you what it's doing. Like right now, that's what it's doing. Showing the gray screen now. I don't know why, but it's still recording. I know it is. But I thought my shit fell off on the ground. Boy, I'm about to be big mad. That's like $300, $400 right there, man. I'm about to be big mad. But I don't think you.
Doing the people. Oh!
Somebody! Oh!
He needs some milk.
Bicycle. You don't hit him.
Woo! You talk about this old man. Look at him. Big in the middle of the streets. I'm about to get hit because I'm choking. My God damn, I'm big dry cough.
Need a drink?
Yeah. Nah. Yeah. I don't know. I need something. Look at this shit.
This can be Che.
Boy, that's why I smoked the ganja? God damn. See that shit? See that shit on this window? You can't be rolling like that, man. Get that goddamn shit off your window, bro. I know it's only a Honda Accord, but you can't be rolling with shit all over your window. Anyway, man, I'm gonna holler at you guys when I get back to the house. I'm gonna try to get some more footage of the rolling, put that up for you guys, then I'm gonna turn the camera back on and talk to you guys as soon as I get to the house. Yeah. Going to scrap. Woo! With all the OGs. Alright, man, we're back to the crib. Hopefully I got some good footage for you guys on the GoPro, man. We're gonna find out. Get out my car. Yeah, right. She don't never just say okay. She just said okay right there. We'll talk to you guys, man. Hold on, let me take this GoPro off.
Are you leaving your speaker in here?
Huh?
You wanna leave your speaker in here?
Yeah. Hold on, let me turn this thing off. Alright, shut down now. Alright. I didn't like to do it, huh? Alright, man, so I don't think you guys was able to hear the intake. I know you heard the exhaust, but it does open it up. You know what I mean? From what I can tell, it definitely, you know, stepped on the gas. The pedal commanders are automatically there doing that. But you can definitely, come on, man, look at this, boy, looking like Shadow Knight. Sheesh, me and Michael Knight, boy, we same color, yeah. It definitely works. I definitely can tell the gains. You would have to drive the car to know, you feel me? But I definitely feel the gains, and I definitely feel more airflow in there for sure, especially as a cold air intake too. So, would I say it's a good buy? Yes. Do you want to spend $500 on a cold air intake? I have no idea. I was willing to take that and do that, so I did, and I'm very happy. Like I said, I like AFE as a company, so I was gonna make that move. I didn't want to get something else and then not be happy with it because I want to be cheaper. So I spent a kiss ass. Gotta play to play, right? Therefore, need to use your money, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Man, hold up, man. You just got through working out, bruh. Look at this guy. This is what we do at the workout. This is what we're doing. Watching Fortnite. Yeah, right, watching Fortnite. Anyway, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. Run up in the comments. Let me know if you guys are effing with the cold air intake. If you guys have one. If you guys still got the original joint still on there. Man, like I said, once I do the supercharge or swap the engine, my cold air intake has to go because it doesn't fit with the obviously it's not gonna fit on the 5.7, and with the supercharge kit, they have one that goes like under and up. That one is not gonna work. You know what I mean? So yeah, that one will be either a 5K giveaway or Somebody want to buy it for $250, that's 50% off. I'm just throwing it out there. It's up to you guys. You know what I mean? If y'all join up to 5K subscribers fast, we giving it away fast. I'm paying shipping, handling, everything. You feel me? But on that note, yeah. On that note, man, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. I hope you guys are enjoying these bangers. I'm throwing at you. I hope you guys are enjoying the 300 content, period. Because it's not too many out there. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. I hope you guys are getting something from it. I hope you guys are being inspired and motivated. You know what I mean? Like, I woke up, my guy Serious Lane hit me today, this morning. Woke me up out my sleep and said, hey, bro, you see this tall guy, he dropped his up, whoop, he's doing big moves. I'm like, bro, what? So I hung up, watched the video, boy, big on cloud nine, motivated my ass out the bed, making the video, you feel me? Just like that, man, because you got to get to it. There's no, I don't care if I'm tired or whatever, they got to get to the videos, man. We got to put it out. The people want it. You guys want it. You guys love the content. You guys F with me. I appreciate that from the bottom of my, you know what I'm saying, the bottom of my hand art. It's right here. It's right there. It's a little bit scarred, but it's there. You feel me? But for sure, I'm being for real, man. I appreciate you guys a whole lot for rocking with your boy and enjoying the 300 content I'm putting out there. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. If you're not already, DM me if you got some questions. Either way, in YouTube or a lot of people hit in the DMs, man. A lot of people hit me in my DMs. It's crazy. But I always get back to you guys. I'll respond, and whatever you ask me, I try to give you the best answer that I have and the best answer that I could and the best answer that I got. You feel me? And if not, I'll refer you to somebody that might know somebody that might know somebody might know somebody. You feel me? Yeah, but on that, man, just keep running it up, man. Keep supporting. Shout out to 392 Dog. Shout out to Serious Lane, man. Like I said, we're going to be going around road trips. We're going to be taking the family sometimes. We're going to be getting it in, working out. Serious Lane is back on his workout, meal prep too, macros. He's doing all that. I ain't hit the macros yet. But I am about to make that green juice I talked about earlier. I am about to make that, and then I'm having chicken wings and green beans for dinner. It's a whole mind, body, spirit. What else? What's the other word I'm looking for? Financials. It's a whole way of living. It's just a whole way of living. You know what I mean? It's the 360. You know that Young Thug, so you know that it's a lifestyle type thing. You know what I'm saying? But we're creating our own move. You feel me? So I'm glad you guys are messing with it. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video, man. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna get to it. We're gonna come up with something. We're gonna show some more 300 content. We're gonna do some more things to the 300. And you guys already know what the big mod is. So we're not doing nothing too big until that. But we will be doing some little things here and there until we get to the big one. And I'm trying to do the best possible way I can. I really don't want to cash out on it. So if I can finance it, which I got to talk to you guys about credit, because that's the way to go when you're not trying to go deplete your savings or just spend $4,000 cash on the engine or $6K, whatever, like $5K on supercharger. You feel me? Don't deplete your savings. You know what I mean? And the times we're living now with the Corona and COVID-19, you don't know when it's going away. Emergency can happen at any point. Don't deplete your savings. So be smart about it and make the money work for you. Make your credit work for you. Credit is worth more than money. I know you guys know that. We're gonna get into that a little bit later though, and I'm gonna bring my guy Serious Lanes because he's a credit king to me. You feel me? Like I said, he helped me out a whole lot. I knew some shit, but he knows some shit. You feel me? I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one, man. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that subscribe button right now. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. My boy, 1, 2, 3, 4. Gone.